Hey, this is Anthony. It's December the 22nd, 2020, day before my birthday. We're back out here working on the 2003 Mustang GT. We've got a lot done today. As you can tell, the intake is on. It is tightened down. It's ready to go. The next worst job coming up is hooking all that electrical connectors, fuel, rail, throttle body, things of that nature. But you know, it is what it is. Just have to do what we can do and do the best we can. It's a little warm today. It's 55 degrees today in Tennessee. Hadn't been working on it a lot because of how cold it's been. So you only work on it when it's cold, when it's warm. It's not giving me a lot of days to work on it. Tomorrow's supposed to be warm, but it's supposed to rain all day. So Christmas Eve Day is supposed to be down to high 40s. So I don't know. It's a little cold to be my age to be out here doing these kinds of things. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. Had to wind up buying a new intake, as you see. As you see in the other video, he had gotten the engine so hot, as we have spoken before, he'd gotten the engine so hot that he melted the gaskets to the plastic composite intake. And as you can see here, as you can see there, he melted all of that along with that right there. So he kind of fried the intake, but that's okay. You know, another part that can't break down. So that's the way I'm looking at it. I try and be positive, try and stay positive, try and teach my clients to be positive as well as everyone that's around me. I don't like a blame game. I don't like somebody who, you know, always in the dumps. You know, if I can't pull them out of the dumps, then I'll just leave them in their pity pond and move on. Because sooner or later, they're going to get you down in the dumps too. So it's funny how other people's, the way other people handle their problems kind of come back over on you. So, but we're going to try and button this up today. We're going to put the injector rail on, fuel rail, there's the throttle body, several other pieces down in there. We're getting there. I was hoping to have it running by Christmas, actually even by my birthday tomorrow, but and by all rights, if I wanted to plug the injectors up and put the coils in, I guess I probably could start it tomorrow, but I don't want to do something of that nature. When I get ready to start it, I want it to start and run for at least 25-30 minutes. So my break-in time is usually 2200 RPM for 22 minutes. So if it's still together after that, you're probably going to be okay. You're probably not going to have to worry too much unless you over rev it or continually thrash it again and again and cause problems. But as far as mechanical and driving it every day, there shouldn't be any problems if it'll go 22 minutes at 2200. So we'll leave the break-in oil in it for about 500-600 miles. Then change the oil again, and all we can do is just, you know, one thing at a time. So we're slowly getting there, and we're gonna do what's necessary. And I hope everybody out there has a good Christmas. Just around the corner. I hope y'all been good. I know Santa Claus made my house or particularly me, he made my house a no-fly zone years ago. So I don't have to worry about anything being under the tree. I quite didn't make it. So, but you know, hopefully y'all did. Hopefully everything is good with you all, and I hope all the holidays is good. Remember those who have lost loved ones, and try not to fight so much if you can. You know, in the next coming holidays, this won't be on video. If it goes on video, it won't be on YouTube till probably sometime before Easter. But the next good holiday, or next holiday coming up, please not try and fight so much. You know, kind of overlook loudmouth brother or loudmouth brother-in-law, or know-it-all sister-in-law, and please don't strangle your mother-in-law, even though it stands a pretty good chance that it can happen. So I hope everything's good with you. I'm gonna get back to work. I have about 2-3 hours before it gets dark. So I don't know how much further I get, but my main concern today is putting the fuel rail on, putting the coils in it. That way nothing can get dropped down into the engine. And by the way, this little overflow pipe right here, what you see right there, I want to tell you that wasn't any fun either. That was zero fun. Trying to push that pipe up across them O-rings was a little hard. I'd take the boat in and out 3 or 4 times. The kids came off of a truck, so that boat wasn't used on a truck. So I forgot to tap and clean it. So I'd take the boat in and out 3 or 4 times with about 1.5 or 2 inch clearance in the back. That was really fun. But another lesson learned. Life is always about lessons. So, you know, if you come this far, and I hope you have, I thank you for staying this long. If you like the video, you know, subscribe, ring the bell. If you leave a comment, I hope it's positive. If it's negative, please, I just ask that you leave a positive comment last. That way, you don't leave anybody else in a negative way. Thanks. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Bye.